In the heart of the Caribbean, a financial storm has been brewing. Jamaica, known for its vibrant culture and sprint legends, now finds itself at the center of a scandal that reaches from the track to the highest office in the land. Usain Bolt, the fastest man alive, built his fortune on the track. But in a cruel twist of fate, he's now racing against time to recover millions stolen from right under his nose. Stocks and Securities Limited, or SSL, a name that once represented financial security for Jamaica's elite. Now, it's synonymous with one of the biggest frauds in the country's history.
We're talking about over $30 million vanishing into thin air. This isn't just about money, it's about trust, and that trust has been shattered.
As the scandal unfolded, over 200 victims emerged. But this was just the beginning. The trail of deceit led investigators to the doorstep of Jamaica's corridors of power. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, once the face of anti-corruption efforts, now finds himself in the hot seat. Allegations of financial impropriety have turned the investigator into the investigated. With the FBI now involved, this local scandal has gone global. But as the investigation deepens, more questions than answers emerge. In the streets of Kingston and beyond, ordinary Jamaicans are left wondering, who can they trust, and will anyone be held accountable?
We need answers. We need justice. This isn't just about the rich and powerful, it's about all of us.
As Jamaica grapples with this crisis, the nation stands at a crossroads. Will this scandal lead to meaningful reform, or is it just another chapter in a long history of financial misconduct? From the heights of Olympic glory to the depths of financial fraud, this is a story of trust betrayed and a nation's future hanging in the balance. The world is watching as Jamaica faces